Hi, my name is Brandon Satcham, and I'm the Vice President of Developer Experience at Blues Wireless. And I'm really excited to present Exploring the Wonderful World of Python on Devices at ARM Dev Summit this year. Now, this session is going to be a brief but really action-packed session full of a lot of information about the world of Python, why it's important to think about Python as an embedded engineer, different flavors of Python that you can use and the different boards that support it, and even an exercise in how we can add internet connectivity to Python devices with the Blues Wireless Note card. Now, there's a lot that we're going to cover in that 25 minutes, but there's three things that you're going to get to learn in this session. One is how easy it is to get started with Python regardless of whether you're using a single board computer or microcontroller, that it is possible to actually use Python with a variety of really powerful embedded devices, even for professional deployments. And then finally, you're going to learn about a new product from Blues Wireless that I can't really talk about yet. So hope you join me in the session and we should have some fun. Thanks.